Hello friends, in this video, I will show how to clean the RAM cache file on your computer and make your computer faster. Here, you can see, I have 6 GB RAM on my PC. Now go to the taskbar options, and check your memory status. Click on Performance, and then you can see details about memory, CPU, disk, and Ethernet. After selecting the memory option, below, you can see the memory cache file, in use, and available options. Now, we need to download an app tool to remove the RAM cache file. See my video description box for download, with just one click. Click Download, and extract this for run. I extract by 7-zip, you could do this by WinRAR. After extract, just run this app, with administrator mode. Agree on the license agreement, and wait a few seconds for run. Open the taskbar again, and empty the standby list from this app. After doing this, your RAM cache file will be deleted, and your memory free space is increased. Follow up your memory available percentage, and then you can see how much cache file is deleted from the RAM. Cache file deleted, and it makes your PC faster than previous. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.